Hi everyone, my name is Neha, and in this video, we are going to be learning how to convert from decimal to binary. Binary is a numeral base 2 system that is used by computers and consists of zeros and ones. The decimal system is a numeral system of base 10 and is the most commonly used numeral system. Now, with that said, let's get started. Now, let's take a random base 10 or decimal number. Let's say that number is 34. Now, I want to convert this number to binary. How do I do that? First of all, I start out by the listing the values of the powers of 2. So I'm going to write this from right to left, starting with 2 to the first power, or actually 2 to the 0th power, 2 to the first power, 2 to the second power, 2 to the third power, 2 to the fourth power, 2 to the fifth power, and so on. 2 to the fifth power is 32, 2 to the fourth power is 16, 2 to the third power is 8, 2 to the second power is 4, 2 to the first power is 2, and 2 to the 0th power is 1. Now, what you want to do is, since our number is 34, we want to find combinations of these powers of 2 that will add to 34. Now, what I want you to do is pause the video and think which powers of 2 could add up to 34. The powers of 2 that could add up to 34 are 32 and 2. Since these powers will add to 34, what we're going to do is we're going to put a 1 underneath both of these powers. And you see these other powers, 2 to the fourth power, 2 to the third power, 2 to the second power, and 2 to the 0th power between 2 to the fifth power and 2 to the first power. That adds up to 34. Now, you're going to put zeros underneath these powers until you reach 2 to the 0th power. And this over here will be your answer. So 34 from decimal is equal to 100010 in binary. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. See you next time. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos on this channel about math. Bye!